Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial. I'll be showing you how to use focus and how to do blur in your render image or like a pre-processing before you get your final render. You might want to see some kind of preview and all. So from this scene, we've got 5 bulbs. I'm going to press Ctrl B, box select, and I'm going to click render. So this is a preview of how a render is going to look like. But what if we want to place more importance on this very first bulb? So that means we are going to be focusing on this one, and this other 4 will be on the focus. There are lots of ways you might want to do this. If you try to send it to or render it into a 2D, then you go to any software that supports 2D and try to blur some parts of the image. And so for here, I'll be showing you how to use the focus add-on. So what we do, I go back to solid mode. I press Shift C, so I get my cursor to the center of the grid. I press Shift A and I add a camera there, and I'm going to drag this back a bit. Say view camera, so I can see through the camera. I press N and I check view. Okay, I have it locked camera to view. I press Shift and I drag my camera to get a cleaner look. Say I like this look. I want this to like this. Then I like this one. So press render. This is what we get, and go back to solid. I click on this point. Let's say I want my focus to be on this part. Press I select this view camera. Okay, it's actually there. Press Shift A. I say add empty plane axis. I scale this empty. So wherever this empty is, that's where my focus will be. And I right click on this camera to select. I drag this, and under camera, I take this pen picker tool and I choose empty. So here I have empty, and this aperture is going to blur the other part that are not in this focus region. So this is the distance. This is the distance, but this is the size of the blurriness away. Go and check render. I say view, let's view through the camera. Let's Ctrl V to both select this region. So this is focus, but we've not seen the impact yet. As when you add in the blur, you can increase this size so you can see the impact of the blur. So you can see that. I take it to 0.11. This place is more blurred than this part. If we try 0.005, I think yeah, somehow close. I take it to 0.098. Yeah. You could just tweak this until you've gotten what you need. Then I'm gonna take this back. I think I like this one. So like 0.0260 blurs this part, and this is what focus is. So if you want to render an image that look like this, instead of you rendering and going to Photoshop and trying to do focus on this aspect, you could just do it here and then click render to render your image. So thank you for watching. Let me see you in my next tutorial. Bye.